Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen where we make delicious and tasty meals. Today I will be showing you how to cook this one pot of yam and gizzard. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will be using the following as my ingredient: cooked gizzard. I have red and yellow bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and then spring onions. Yam, peeled and washed already. So I went ahead to fry the yam and then I will set this aside. In a clean pan, I will be adding some butter. This is optional. And then I'll go ahead to add pepper oil, which I made myself. This is also optional. I'll allow both to hot. Next, I will be adding the chopped onions and then I will fry this for some minutes. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. The next thing I will be doing is to add the rough mixed blended pepper and then I will give everything a stir. For those of you that keep watching my videos, which are my OGs, I say thank you so much. God bless you. And for my new subscribers, you are welcome. I bet you are going to enjoy it here. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Now I'll be adding curry and give this a stir. I will be covering this to cook for 6 to 8 minutes in a low heat and then I will open up the pan. And I will also be adding the fried gizzard. I fried this off camera. You can skip the frying part or you can use air fryer or better still oven to grill the gizzard. In place of the gizzard, you can use chicken or beef. I will go ahead to add maggi and I will also be adding salt as well. At this point, I will be adding the fried yam. You can also substitute the yam for fried plantain or fried potatoes. Any one you choose to use is still okay. And then I'll go ahead to cover this to cook for just 4 to 5 minutes so both can marry each other. Now I'll be adding the spring onions and then I'll give this a stir. Guys, our one pot of yam and gizzard is ready. This was so yummy and delicious. Will you be giving this a try? Please, if you do, don't forget to tag me. Leave your comment in the comment section. I went ahead to serve this and by the side, I just added my chilled nuts. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, like. See you in my next video and keep eating good food. Bye.